So guys, we're now here at Santo Niño de Baseco Parish Church and nagsistart na kaming magpahat para yung i-distribute namin sa 300 families. So guys, nakaka-half na kami. And guys, we're supposed to be in the gym. Kaya lang, walang kuryente there. And so dito na kami sa Parish Church mag-distribute. And nako, look guys later, ang daming family outside. So guys, I'm now here with Ate, Phil, Tim, and Allison. They're gonna help us with the, distribution. We have mga sobra. So, okay, we're done packing here. Let's check the other side kung okay na. Oh my gosh, andyan na sila, oh. Oh my gosh, guys. Yan ang 300 families. Okay, what's up? Wow, okay na? Wow, I'm so fast here. So, okay. Okay, ate, ready na. Let's start.
Okay, let's start,
distributing.